Hi, I'm Laura Sabay, a CPA here on Long Island, New York, and I want to thank you for watching this video. I help business owners fix their cash flow problems and boost their profits with my CFO for hire and part-time controller services. You can find me on the web at www.laurasabaycpa.com or call me at 516-532-4839. This video is about QuickBooks Online bank reconciliations. I find many of my clients either don't have the staff, the time, the interest, or the ability to perform their monthly bank recs, and I'm here to help with that. But first, what is a bank rec, and why does your accountant need you to do one? So you may recall way back when you used to get paper bank statements from the bank, that the last page of the bank statement had this form on it. So this was a bank reconciliation form that people would do manually. And now, luckily, with computers and the internet, we're able to do these things electronically and don't have to write everything down. But the process is the same. So when you go into your QuickBooks Online, here's your QuickBooks Online, there's a toggle, this gear icon for reconciling your bank statement. So the bank statement is a comparison of your balance per books and your balance per the bank statement. So why should you do this? One of the most important reasons is to make sure that your accounting records reflect all valid deductions, such as bank charges and other items clearing the bank that haven't been recorded yet, to make sure that all your deposits, all the deposits you made were recorded by the bank, to make sure that there's no unauthorized deductions from your bank account, such as from a forged check, bank error, transfer made by someone who has access to your account. And really, most importantly, you'd want to monitor your cash flow and make sure that there are no old outstanding deposits or checks that have to be researched, because you don't want duplicate income, and you want to make sure that all your deductions are properly recorded. So, you really need to keep on top of your bank rec, and it's something that should be done every month. So you're going to have differences every month when you do your bank rec between your bank statement and the bank balance. Well, not always. Sometimes everything clears. But you may have outstanding checks which haven't cleared the bank. You might have deposits that you made near the end of the month that haven't cleared the bank yet. You might have unrecorded bank fees, interest income. You could also have insufficient funds, checks. Say you make a deposit from one of your customers and the check is rejected because your customer doesn't have enough money in the bank. Or there could be an error. There could be a bank error posting to the wrong account, or you could have made an error on your books. So at a minimum, you should do this monthly. Some businesses actually reconcile weekly or even daily if they're operating with minimal cash on hand. So in this video, I'm showing you how to do a bank rec and QuickBooks Online software. And you can look for my other bank reconciliation videos for Xero and for QuickBooks Desktop on the web. So we're going to reconcile this checking account. I am using a sample company file. So this has balances back from 2015. So I'm entering the statement ending date. This is the date that's on your actual bank statement. This ending balance is the balance that's on your bank statement. So you want to enter these balances and just trust me, that's the balance. So one of the first things you want to do when you get into the screen is you want to hide transactions after the statement's end date, because that will make it so if you leave that unchecked, you're going to see information from, say, October, which definitely could not have cleared in August. So you want to unclick everything. That's one of the first things I do. This one doesn't seem to be working. So we're going to hide transactions after the date. I'm going to go through the bank statement and what's cleared. So you'll see there was a June check that hadn't cleared at the end of July and a July check that hadn't cleared. And that's still outstanding. And then the deposit came through. So you'll see down here these 7 checks and payments. This should agree with the total checks and payments on your bank statement, including service charges, any other items. And the deposits should also agree with the bank statement. So if you're getting a different number for deposits or a different number for checks and payments, you need to go through your checks and payments here and make sure that you clicked everything that cleared. and compare it with your bank statement and make sure that everything's been recorded. The same goes with your deposits. So we have no difference, so this is a good thing. So we're going to finish now. We're going to now do a reconciliation for September, just so you can see a few months worth of reconciliations. You want to fix the date, make it September, make sure it's the right year. 2015 we're working in, and my September balance is $3,896. And this check from June still has not cleared. So for me, the easiest thing to do is click everything and uncheck what hasn't cleared, because I happen to know in this that everything has been correctly posted here. So the September 28th checks through the 30th have not cleared, none of these amounts. And all the deposits cleared. And you'll see we have no difference. So this is perfect. If you find that you made a mistake on the bank statement ending balance, you know, you picked up the beginning balance or a balance from a wrong statement, you could always edit it over here on this link. I'm hitting cancel. You could also finish later if you choose to. So I'm going to finish now. You'll notice though, this June check is still outstanding. So that's something that we're going to want to look into if it goes beyond, you know, it's been 3 months. So let's do October. This will be our last bank reconciliation for this account. And we have 11,501, and we hit OK. I'm going to check everything, except this hasn't cleared. Now, we have an issue because the bank balance is 11,501, and our cleared balance is 1,501. So I've gone through, the bank statement shows this much in checks clearing, $2299.96, and it also shows $10,000 in deposits, which is exactly what our difference is. So now you can go research and find out, is this your money, this $10,000, or did you receive a payment from a customer that hasn't been posted or was posted to the wrong bank account? You don't want to send a customer a statement showing that they have a balance due and the balance has cleared your bank. So it's very important to do this as frequently as possible and a minimum monthly. So if you have any questions on this, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm more than willing to help. I love teaching. My phone number is 516-532-4839, and you can find me on the web at www.laurasabaycpa.com. Have a great day, everybody.